Okay, so you want to work faster, but you're not sure how. Your mouse is already on your keyboard, and you have no idea what to do next. Well, in this video I am going to show you my secret weapon that will instantly make you 10 times faster at work. No, it's not about buying a new chair or a standing desk, although those are great investments. It's something that costs you absolutely nothing, and it's these little guys right here. They are keyboard shortcuts. So if you think of your keyboard as a weapon, shortcuts are like cheat codes that allow you to do things faster. They are simply key combinations that allow you to bypass menus and do things more efficiently. Let me show you some of my favorites. Okay, so this one is really simple, but it's a real lifesaver. This is Ctrl+C or copy. Let's say you need to copy a paragraph from a website. Normally you would highlight the text and then go to edit and then click on copy. But instead what you can do is just highlight the text and press Ctrl+C and it will copy it to your clipboard. And now you can go to your Word document and press Ctrl+V, which is paste, and you've now pasted that text into your document. Now if you want to copy and paste images, it works there too. So let us say I want to grab this image and then go to my document and paste it in. I can simply highlight the image, press Ctrl+C, go to my document and press Ctrl+V and boom, done. Next up we have Ctrl+X, which is cut. It works pretty much the same way as copy, except it also deletes the text. So basically instead of copying and pasting an image, if you want to move it to a different location, you can simply cut and paste it. Alright, so you just made a mistake. What do? You can simply press Ctrl+Z to undo. This command is actually available in most software programs, so don't worry if you accidentally delete something. Just press Ctrl+Z and it will bring it back. And another one that you will end up using a lot is Ctrl+S, which is save. Pretty self-explanatory. If you don't want to save your progress, well, you just press Ctrl+S. And last but not least, let's say you're working on a document, but you need to switch programs. You can press Alt+Tab, and it will quickly switch to your recently used program. So yeah, it's pretty useful. So yeah, these are just a few of my favorite keyboard shortcuts, but there are many more out there. So if you're interested in learning more, check out the video in the description below.